Oh, zoom in.
Feel my slippers. My Wellington Road slippers.
Wellingtons.
Yeah.
Williams Wish Wellingtons. Do you really love that? Oh. Maybe I can just... It's Matthew Moo.
You ate Macca's without me?
Yeah, we went last night to the beach and then got Macca's.
The seatbelt doesn't work.
Yes it does. You don't work.
That's safe. Look at me.
Fan. Fan going to get Matthew's Budgie Wudgie.
How cool would it be if we crashed? We'd actually have it on videotape.
It wouldn't be cool, Matthew. I've had enough crashes, please. Tarago!
Ah!
Beep beep!
Go, Tarago, go! Is that illegal to do that?
What?
Film people?
To drive a Tarago?
Yeah,
Yes.
that too.
No, it probably is. Everything's illegal nowadays.
Oh, yeah, here. When Ash was driving, she just went boom straight into the
Is
curb.
that why there's no grass there?
Yep.
Oh.
That curb. That was funny.
What's in the box, Matthew?
My bed. My daddy.
Is it gonna peck?
Can you see in the hole?
No.
No, it doesn't bite.
How do you know?
Because I had to pick it up.
Yuck. I'm getting out of this car. Get that bird away from me. No, what have you done? We're all gonna die, Matthew. Wait for me, Matt. Uh-oh. Santa, what have you done? Santa without a face. What have you done? We're eating tonight. Oh god, that bell's gonna drive us crazy.
Where does it go?
Where does it go? Has it got a hangy thing? Do you hang it?
Maybe.
No, Matthew, don't just shove it in.
There's another bell.
Give it to me. Can I see it?
I don't know what the hell it is, but okay.
Are you still alive, birdie?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, do it like that. You could just hang it over this one. Would that work?
No, 'cause it's got to go up there to get the water.
Oh. I really stink like B.O. Noofy needs a shower. What's that one? Oh, what is that? Is that like Budgie sausage?
Perch.
Oh, God. Oh. Matthew, what if I just went like this? I don't like this.
Oh, where the hell did it go?
What does it do? What does the package say?
Oh, they go on the perch.
How do they go on the perch?
Like,
Oh. And then what do they do?
they're for decoration, I guess.
Oh. Doing this one too?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe they can like spin around on them.
Or fall off.
I think that's just a bit excessive, isn't it? Maybe it's just fun for them to do that.
Yeah.
I can't hear the bird making any noises. Is it still alive? I think it's dead.
Dead.
Is it dead?
No.
I'm not throwing it in the bin if it's dead.
See, it's moving. Making
Where?
a noise.
You just tip it out. Let's close the door quickly, Matt. It's going to fly out. Come on, birdie, get out. Out. Oh, look at its wing. It's holding on for dear life. Maybe just put the box in there and it'll come out in its own time. You know this thing? It's scared, I think. Is it moving?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, there we go. Birdie!
You can move, it's okay.
Poke it with the stick.
No!
Oh well.
No, don't.